Hey guys, welcome to an unboxing video. Today's thing we're gonna unbox is the grip hand exerciser. Whoa, this thing is for pro hands. I'll show you right there. It says pro hands, and this thing is a pretty good thing, and has a lot of uses for people who need to use this. And actually, thankfully, the thing on the back has a lot of things to show me. So I don't need to make a script for this, which is amazing. Number one is for rock climbing. That way, it's you know, you need strong hands to climb the rope on it. Number two is the tennis. You know, because you gotta hit the balls and stuff flying at you. Number three is weightlifting, because you know because you don't want to get calluses. You need to lift the weights. Number four is golf, because you know that takes a lot of hand strength. You know, walking around at a senior man's pace, just walking around and hitting balls. Okay, yeah. The last one, I'll say the last for last. One that I could think of is would be for yoga, because you know you gotta hold a lot of positions. Like you know, I'll show you one that would take a lot of hand strength.
You know, this position take a lot of hand strength.
And the last one on the list is fucking guns.
It's important to practice good hygiene, at least if you wanna run with my team. I'm about to get into some shit that I've seen. This fool's breath on me, so that'll melt your ice cream. They say don't say nothing if you can't say nice things. Sitting too close to him, my boy, like my eye sting. I try to be subtle, hand him a stick.